Meet Jack, a passionate car enthusiast who took his average sedan and turned it into a nitro-fueled monster. First, he tackled the engine, replacing the stock parts with high-performance components designed for nitrous injection. Next came the real magic, the nitrous oxide system. This involved creative engineering solutions to integrate the system seamlessly, but it wasn't without challenges. Jack faced hurdles in ensuring proper cooling and safety during the nitro boost. With precision tuning and innovative modifications, his car's horsepower skyrocketed, highlighting the incredible potential of nitro enhancements for everyday vehicles.